If you've been wondering what scoliosis is, if you may have it and or may be affecting you, this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages from their health so they can lead amazing, fantastic lives. One of the areas that I've specialized in over the last 20 years is helping people who have suffered from scoliosis and or had scoliosis develop, wind up assessing, tracking, and slowing its process down. What I'm doing right now is I'm sitting with a couple of the braces that we've built for some of our patients. When we look over here on the right side, I've got a brace that I've actually built for a girl who has had problems with what's called adolescent idiopathic onset scoliosis. This is what we typically think of scoliosis. This is where you're someone between ages 10 and 15 years of age winds up starting to develop a lateral shift or a bend in their spine that causes their scapula maybe to wing off of their shoulders, and is what we typically think of scoliosis. However, this only makes up 3% of all the scoliosises that occur. What's way more common to wind up happening is what we have our brace over here on the left for. This is something that I developed for an adult. This gentleman has been in and out of our office, man, with chronic lower back pain for several decades, and never fully accepted the recommendations to work on remodeling his spine. Well, over the last 5 years, he's gone through and done some physical therapy, he's done some pain management, he's done some epidurals, and what it wound up doing is causing him to have what's called a de novo scoliosis, and that's where the spine winds up collapsing on itself due to spinal degeneration and breakdown. Unfortunately, at this point, we're kind of at a point where we've got to have and provide prolonged elongation or decompression to wind up helping him with the lower back pain that's just been unrelenting and he hasn't been able to find a fix for that goes down his leg. I'm excited to introduce this to him to help him wind up taking care of his problems, and this is what makes up the majority of scoliosis that are out there. What I'm going to look to do here on the next few videos is share with you some of the common things we find with each of these types of scoliosises, and then what you can do for them and what we do that for them when other things don't wind up taking care of themselves. If you or someone you know has got problems with scoliosis, make sure you share this with them so that they can get some answers. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to our channel.